the trouble for the power companies does not end. The reports are suggesting that the power companies may be pushed to hike prices as 18 upcoming projects with capacity of almost over 25,000 megawatt will be affected. Now, the reason for the same is that there is lack of assured linkages by the coal leader, Coal India, and because of which the power companies may resort to buy coal from the open market, which is very expensive than buying from Coal India. And the projects which will be affected, the companies are SR Power, GMR Energy and Adani Power. So keep an eye on all the power companies, in fact, in today's trade. And moving on to SR Oil, the company released its quarterly earnings on Saturday. Well, the company posted loss of almost to the tune of 515 crore rupees versus a profit of almost 321 crore in the corresponding quarter. Well, the reason for the same is that the reversal in the sales tax benefit which the company was getting, and also because of corporate debt restructuring. But there is some respite for the company as the Gujarat High Court has directed the state government not to take any coercive action against the company for recovering the deferred sales tax. According to the company, it has sought for the waiver of almost over 2,000 crore towards the penalty and interest, because as per the company, the total sales tax which is due is almost over 6,000 crore, whereas the state government has asked for almost over 8,000 crore. Well, the next hearing will be in June, so till then there could be some respite coming in there for SR Oil. And keep an eye on pharma major Lupin, as the company would be launching its anti-HIV drug named Combivir in United States. Well, this move will benefit the company at least in the bottom line in the coming quarter, so keep an eye on Lupin. And Bhushan Steel also released its earnings on Saturday. The results were above estimates of what the analysts were expecting. If you look at the revenues, they went up by almost 44%, and the bottom line for the company rose by almost 15%. The profit for the quarter was around 330 crore rupees, and the board has also given a go-ahead to the company for the fundraising plan to the tune of almost $1 billion. So keep an eye on Bhushan Steel in today's trade.